Let's head over to Alan. He's in Celbridge in County Kildare this morning.
You're very welcome back to the Orchard Home, Garden and Cafe here in Celbridge. We're here all morning till 10:30 and I'm joined now by horticulturalist Sarah Hackett. Good morning to you, Sarah, because I've the gloves on, so it means you're going to get me working.
I am.
I have to say, I'm looking around here. This is my first time here. It's an amazing place. This is an old walled garden.
It's a Victorian
walled garden that's here.
And it's encompassing 4.5 acres within the orchard. So we're in a unique setting because it's one of the surviving walled gardens in the British Isles, yeah.
And how big is this place?
It's about 4.5 acres in total within the walls, yes, yeah.
It's incredible, isn't it? So what do you, of course, look, the sun is shining. We all know that we're going to get some great weather over Easter. Lots of people come to garden centres such as this over Easter because they want to get out into the garden, and we're looking at the array of colours here that you can have and plant over this weekend.
This morning, Alan, is really perennials that are going to come back for you year after year after year, that are easy care. You're planting the one time. It's just a case of then maintaining them either within a container or in the border. We have beautiful campanula at the front, a small little alpine plant, easy care, ground cover. We'll cover a multitude, weeds or otherwise, flowering throughout the summer.
I love that because I've seen that in gardens, and then it spreads out and gives a lovely cover over a wide area.
Absolutely, yeah. And just to maintain it then, it's going to flower for most of the summer for you. You're just going to give it a little haircut when it's finished flowering, and it comes back and repeats flowering again for you then, September, October time. The white daisy then behind it is a Moroccan daisy, or Rhodanthemum being its Latin name. Another hard-working plant, flowering predominantly the whole way through the summer. And very, very easy care. Predominantly the ones with the silver leaf don't need as much watering, either in containers or borders, and they love the sun. So as sunny spot as you possibly can.
And just look at the splash of colour on these.
Now, these are the hardy gerbers. You're probably familiar with them in little bouquets or posies that you'd often see them in. But these, again, are perennial. They're going to come for you year after year. You're planting them just the one time, full sun, deadhead regularly, and they'll keep on rewarding you with buds and flower buds.
Now, if we want to plant up something over the weekend, we're going to do that now. So we have one of your lovely pots that you obviously for sale here as well.
Of course, we've an array of
massive
pots.
array. I'm looking
ceramic,
at them.
Fibre
There's
clay,
thousands of them behind me here.
Full array. So always with a pot, choose a pot that's going to be the appropriate size for the plant. So the plant that we're planting up today is a beautiful rhododendron. Again, another evergreen shrub that's going to flower for you April, May time, flower for you year after year. It's perfect for a container because it likes the Pacific soil, which is the lime-free compost here. But drainage is always crucial in any pot.
I was looking at these. So you've some broken up,
damaged pots that we're just going to cover the drainage hole at the bottom. Great.
So you can literally put them in like that.
Perfect. I think you've done this before. You're natural.
No, actually, I knew this was so drainage because I have done this before, and people are saying, and they might know, but it does help the life of the plant, doesn't it?
So that the water doesn't drain away immediately as you water it, you know? The next step then, obviously, would put a small little layer of compost just on top of that. So is there
any particular type of compost you use?
Well, yeah, for the rhododendrons, the azaleas, the camellias, they like neutral acidic soil. So it's lime-free compost that you would ask for, and we could advise you anyway on the feed or otherwise. And then I think that should be just the next crucial point would be that the plant that you're planting would be at the same level that's come out of the pot as it is. And you're literally just filling in around the top of that, firming the soil down in around it to secure it and anchor it into the pot.
So putting that just a little bit around. Didn't know when I got up this morning I'd be hands deep in compost, but there you go. The stuff I do for this job.
we could do with your help this weekend. We're bound to be busy. We'll leave the workshop here.
And when the weather's like it's promising to be with, you're going to be jammed
inundated.
here. You'll be jammed here
It's crucial as well with the rhododendron, because it's flowering at this time of year, that you would feed it July, August, because that's when it's setting its buds to flower for this time of year. And that would be with the tomato food just here, which is very, very high in potash. It's encouraging its buds to form and then obviously to come and bloom for you.
And you know, when I come to a garden centre like this and you're looking for advice, are you on hand to help people give
all the time, 24/7, more or less.
Because it is one of the things I'd come in and I'd go, what do you think would be good for my garden, or my garden might be suffering this?
We're all passionate horticulturists. We're willing to give you any advice. We love sharing tips. We love hearing tips.
And just very quickly about your lawns at the moment.
So it's a backdrop to every garden, and we all have problems with moss. It's just natural. It's with our climate. We would be really endorsing an organic product. It's no raking involved. It doesn't blacken the moss like any of the synthetic ones. Mobacter is the name of it. We always have it in stock, and it's in a range of various sizes depending on the area that you need to cover or treat.
OK, well, listen, thank you very much for that. Some great tips here. And be prepared for the onslaught over the weekend.
You're going to be certainly.
We've lots more still to come from here, but we're going to take a quick break.